Top Singh, Kabir M, Mary Lingdo, and Vishal Tyagi. 14 days police remand approved.
Sir.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mocking Sapien. My name is Tanay and today I'm going to review Paatal Lok. I started my YouTube journey with reviewing weird movies, like disgusting movies and web series, like Love School, Splitsvilla. क्या मतलब फालतू जैसे भद्दर से भद्दर series I have reviewed. Finally, I'm going to review something amazing. Paatal Lok, hands down, the best Indian series I've ever seen. I started watching it last night and I finished it by morning. So I was like, this review has to be there, put in the front, because what a series, man. I'm not going to give you any spoilers in this, just know that. I'm just going to give you a little background and why it's a must watch. So don't worry that no plot of the thing or spoilers I'm going to give you, so you can just watch this video normally. Jaideep Ahlawat as Hathiram Chaudhary is there in the movie as the lead role.
Suspend करवा दूंगा, दंड करवा दूंगा, फंड करवा दूंगा, लौड़ा करवा देगा मेरा.
He's an underdog cop and a big case is given to him which he has to solve, but he's not so good, but he's on his journey. So the whole journey, the basic synopsis which is there in the first episode, I'm not telling you anything in the middle, that a primetime journalist is under threat. He's gonna get killed. So the case is given to this Hathiram Chaudhary, Jaideep Ahlawat. So he goes on his journey in solving the case, and there are a lot of twists and turns. Now everything in the series is so properly shown, like people who are criminals and all, they have some kind of a tragic past. Like you don't know what has happened with them and those incidents in the past and how they lead to them being a criminal. So there are these things which this web series tries to show, like properly it tries to depict it. So that whole thing, it keeps you going the whole time. There's not a time in the whole series that you feel like, okay, it's getting boring, shouldn't feel like watching it. I to just binge watch the whole series. Abhishek Banerjee as Vishal Tyagi, what acting. Like you look at him, that character he's played, amazing, man, amazing. But this series is the story, which is amazing, totally amazing. But with that, it doesn't fail to point out so many issues. Like it touches almost every issue present in the Indian society. Issues like casteism, child molestation, transgender issues, like how we treat the transgenders in India, then dirty politics, Hindu-Muslim issues, mob lynchings, and then gang rape. In the whole series, there is this one disturbing incident, like you watch it, it has such a mental impact on you. Oh my god, like almost 10 to 12 men gang rape a woman, like in front of the husband. Like too sad that thing is. Like, so it leaves no area untouched. It covers almost all the areas and it makes a significant impact on you. Like by the end of the series, you're just contemplating everything, like shit, like what is happening and all that. Seriously, man, like fuck. So do you want to know the plot of this? बताए? No, won't do that. That's just too sad to do. So yeah, an amazing series. But obviously, ये series हो जाती है Hindu-phobic. There they came. IMDb का ratings you should go and see. Oh bhai. First ones though, like there are extreme ratings. There are either 10 out of 10 or 1 out of 10. And some people wish that there was negative rating. See, the 10-star reviews to I've already said in my way of speaking. So let's see the reviews. The 1-star reviews. Oh man. अब देखते हैं. Truly a waste of time. Waste. Just waste. One of the finest TV series coming from India. साले anti-national. Authentic writer, साले unauthentic writer. Bot writer you are. Very bad web series. Bad. It is just bad. Very bad story. Not worth it. Watching just a short. Never watch the whole web series. Never. Just don't do it. Please just don't. Hindu-phobic story. It is definitely Hindu-phobic. नो डाउट ही नहीं है हिंदू फोबिक है। साला हमेशा हिंदुओं को टारगेट करते रहते हैं। टोटली एंटी हिंदू सीरीज, टोटली डाउट ही नहीं उसमें है, डाउट ही नहीं, संबंध ही नहीं है। लेफ्टिस्ट हिंदू फोबिक प्रोपागेंडा। द बेसिक प्रेमाइस ऑफ दिस पोस्ट सीरीज एज इज हिंदू बैड, मुस्लिम विक्टिम, कंट्री फैसिस्ट, लेफ्टिस्ट एंड लिबरल्स। दिखाता हूं तुझे, सबको दिखाता हूं। A biased propaganda to malign the peacefuls. Hinduphobia at its worst. Hinduphobic web series. Hinduphobic hate towards Hindus. साले लिबरल हैं, ज्यादा चर्बी चढ़ रही है क्या है? लेफ्टिस्ट हैं, साला प्रोपागेंडा, हमेशा प्रोपागेंडा फैलाते हो हैं। काम दूसरा काम धंधा नहीं है क्या है? ये कौन है भैया? सुदीप शर्मा। साला पकड़ के ऐसे धोएंगे ना उसे, छोड़ने वाले नहीं है उसको, छोड़ेंगे नहीं बिल्कुल। डंडे लेके ऐसी सुताई करेंगे, ऐसी सुताई करेंगे, याद रहेगा उनको लाइफ टाइम। फिर बनाएंगे राम मंदिर पे हैं, राम मंदिर पे अभी वेब सीरीज बनाएंगे। कितना टीआरपी मिलेगा ऐसे हैं, कितना टीआरपी मिलेगा? रामायण जब रीलॉन्च किया, रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया, वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड 7.7 करोड़ व्यूअरशिप है, गेम ऑफ थ्रोन से भी ज्यादा है। इसके क्या मिलने वाला है तुम्हें हैं? मिलेगा तो सिर्फ पिटाई और कुछ नहीं, समझे? डिसअपॉइंटेड विद दिस इंडिया मैन। लाइक हिंदू राष्ट्र, हिंदू नेशन इज दिस एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस, यू आर शेम ऑन दिस कल्चर। और पाकिस्तान। And seriously man, this Hindu phobia, Hindu खतरे में is getting damn irritating now. हमेशा वही कोई भी सोशल इशू डाल दिए कि नहीं ये हिंदू फोबिया कहाँ से भाई हैं? Can't even convince them now. 100 करोड़ की आबादी अभी आ गई है खतरे में। Combine a lot of countries together also now won't be equal to the population of Hindus in India. नहीं, पर हिंदू खतरे में है, डाउट ही नहीं हो उसमें। चलो भाई, सबका चालू है, सबकी खुद की थिंकिंग है। I was reading news again and again so much that I was like, let's take a break and watch some series. So I heard that this series was going on everywhere. So I was like, let's go and watch this. Don't regret it. You guys should go and watch this series. Amazing series, amazing. There's just one season of it, 9 episodes, approximately 40 minutes per episode. So it's a perfect watch. Definitely go and watch it. Truly amazing, like no doubt about it. Hats off to Sudeep Sharma for this writing and creativity. Amazing. Like hats off to Anushka Sharma, the producer of this series. Amazing. इधर भी कमेंट्स में अभी इतनी गालियां पड़ेगी। ये गालियां खा के तो हम बड़े हो रहे हैं। You guys abusing me make me a better person from within. This is life. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.
क्या सुन रहा है? कान बंद कर।